Yeah, okay. Hello. All right, come on. Hello. You silly girl. Hey. Oh no, no. Yeah. When I put my outdoor shoes on, go outside, this is what happens. Hey guys, it's Russell here at my off-grid cabin. Yeah, interesting treat for you today. I found some old video footage from before I started building the cabin, when I was just scouting out the spot here for the cabin. So it was kind of neat to see, and I don't have a lot of video from way back then. So I'm going to show it to you guys, kind of a trip back in time. And yeah, it's kind of interesting to see that there was a tree right there. I'd completely forgotten about it. You can still see the maple trees in the video, so watch for that. Out front here, between the cabin and the pond. Also the big pine tree behind me. You can still see all the branches there before I cut them off. And I talk about it a little bit. Anyway, let's roll that. You guys can take a look. Okay, so here we are. There's the beaver pond. And this is the start of my outline, my very crudely measured cabin. So these sticks kind of signify the boundaries. It needs to be properly measured, and it needs to be properly oriented towards true north, because that's the way I want it. So this here is my deck area. Running over there to that bush, you can't kind of see the end. And then across to where the measuring tape starts. This area, this empty area here, between the measuring tape and the deck, is obviously the main cabin ending here. So and then it runs downhill pretty sharply here to the water's edge. That's probably a 5 meter rise, 5 or 6 meters. Even right here. So that's how it's going to look. The deck is going to go right across there. That bush has got to go. This tree's got to go. So I'm going to need my chainsaw, some gas for the chainsaw, some bar oil, some chainsaw oil, 2-stroke oil. I'm going to need the impact hammer, the generator, gas for the generator, the rebar, the epoxy, the sonotubes themselves, the concrete. I'm going to need Ray's cement mixer. I'm going to need a pump. Geez, I got to ask Ray if that pump will pump stuff up 5 meters. It's a long way, and I don't want to go down there for a bucket. With a bucket, I should say. Here's the other side of this thing. I'm going to need a crowbar to move some of these loose rocks. I'm putting a sonotube right there. I'm going to have to move some of that stuff. Obviously, that's a mess. Here's from the other side. I think if I can probably put the tent right in here. This is where the ATV comes. I guess if I leave both sides open, I ride the ATV right through it. But no, I won't do that. It's not going to be a very even floor. And it's all bedrock through here. But this will work. It's not a bad spot. So here's the cabin from the back, where the tape measure is. This works. It looks like the highest point here, actually this isn't bad. The highest point probably is where that tree is right there. The lowest point, I don't know, I haven't measured out where all the posts are going to be. the lowest point might be right there or there, but they're, you know, just eyeballing this, they can't be more than a couple of feet lower than the highest point, which is good. So, what's the shortest sonotube gonna be? What's the minimum height above rock? What else do I need to know? That rock is the corner spot. Incline here. It's over there. Can't be more than a couple of feet. This is probably the lowest point right here, right where I'm standing. And that tree looks like the highest spot, although from here it looks like maybe over there at the back. It's close. Hard to tell. Anyway. These branches, of course, signify my deck. There's the deck edge. So when I'm standing on my deck, this is what I'm going to see. No lily pads. This time of year. I don't know if it's because it's cold or because the water level is about a foot higher than when I was last here. Oh, okay, gotta get rid of that tree. Or I gotta cut off the bottom 20 feet of branches. Probably do that first and then see what it looks like. That pine tree over there, gotta go too. Which is kind of nice that there are quite a few evergreens. If it was just nothing but deciduous, it would look pretty stark this time of year. Look at that. It actually looks pretty stark through there. That swamp. Anyway, I'm not going to be looking that way. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my videos, my off-grid cabin videos. And if you are subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell to make sure that you get notified when I put out new videos. Anyway, we'll see you all in the next video, guys. Peace out! Ow! You bit my Junebug.